Here we go. Wow. This feeling. Can you imagine that this has been in Gothenburg, Sweden? It has been at Liseberg. Ah, this is amazing. Wow. Okay guys, here we go. Wow! Oh yes! Oh, this is hangover. Wow! That was so much fun.
Oh, no.
Do you like it?
I liked it. I thought it was very shaky, but it was not.
No, it's not.
It was good.
It's such a nice coaster.
But it was so high, so I get like heartbeats.
This is my absolute favorite boomerang in the world. Wow.
It was scary.
It's a bit scary. It's quite effectful, this ride.
Yeah.
Today we have a very gentle farfars bilar in the place of hangover.